Hi everyone, this is Marius from Pickup Media. Today I'll be showing you how to photograph bracelets from the top of the GemLightbox. This is a great angle for bracelets as it gives us the profile view of the bracelet and is really good for bracelets with charms. I have the GemLightbox in front of me and I have the photography table on the inside. The reason I'm using the photography table today is because it gives us a bit more room to work with and it also gives us a nicer square shape. So we'll just put that inside the GemLightbox and we'll put a bracelet inside. So something like this we can just place on top of the photography table, make sure it's in the center, close the front cover, and we'll take off the top of the GemLightbox. I've got my GemLightbox application open on my iPhone XS and we'll just place our phone on the top. So open up the camera and we'll just zoom out slightly until we get a nice size. Tap on the bracelet to focus and then we can press a blue button to take the photograph. As you can see, we've got a nice white background, really good details on the bracelet. You can get all the details on the charm there. It's very quick, very easy to photograph the bracelet. If you want, you can also photograph multiple pieces at the same time. So we'll quickly save this and we can insert a second bracelet like so. Okay, so we'll close the front cover, put our phone back on the front, and we can zoom out a little bit to make more space for the second bracelet. And we'll just quickly move these two a little bit closer to the center. And there's our second photograph. And as you can see, we can comfortably fit both bracelets inside and still get that nice white background and get all the details on there, and we'll save. So hopefully this was really helpful to you guys and it shows you how you can photograph bracelets from the top down. As you can see, very quick, very easy to use with the GemLightbox and no editing required. Hey guys, so I hope this helps. Please comment below if you have any questions. You can also click to subscribe and also click on the bell notifications